With Amazon's Prime Big Deal Days still ongoing, there are lots of money-saving offers to take advantage of. One offer has seen the price of a popular cordless vacuum reduced by almost half, with a G-Tech Highlight 2 price slashed by 47% to £80, a £69. 99 saving on the £149.99 RRP. The G-Tech Highlight 2 is a lightweight and compact device able to tackle hard floors, carpets, sofas and stairs. The vacuum has a removable telescopic handle, meaning it can work as an upright vacuum or a handheld device depending on requirements. The vacuum can also be folded down for easy storage when not in use. You can reach all corners of your home with the vacuum. A detachable dusting brush fits onto the telescopic tube to help you reach high-up cobwebs or access hard-to-reach areas, such as the top of a wardrobe or behind a TV. The household cleaning has a runtime of 20 minutes with a chairing time of 2 hours. Amazon Prime Big Deal Days, DR, get access to Amazon's biggest deals as well as getting shoppers exclusive access to this week's Big Deal Days sale prices. There's a host of advantages to Amazon Prime membership, including next-day delivery, free Deliveroo, music and books and Prime Video. Usually £8.99 a month, you can now get a 30-day free trial to get access to all this week's sale deals. Free Amazon Get a free trial. The cordless vacuum boasts an average of 4.2 out of 5 stars in the Amazon review section. One shopper is over the moon with the product, saying, "Not kidding, this is my favorite one. It is lightweight and picks up everything. Very neat design, not to mention that the instruction book is the best I have seen. So easy to follow. When I move back to US next year, this will be the only electronic that I will bring back with me. This is how much I love it." A second said, "Bought this little gem after recommended by a friend. I was reluctant initially due to the price. However, I decided to take the plunge after seeing it greatly reduced as an Amazon special. Wish I had bought one years ago. I have health issues, so using a normal vacuum can be heavy and clumsy and incredibly exhausting. To the point I have to split my housework over 2 days. This little gem is compact and lightweight, the suction is much more powerful than my Henry Extra, it gets into all the gaps and it lighting up is a bonus. Can now whip around the house with ease and in very little time. No more split days and the stairs are no longer my nightmare. Love it so much I've bought a second to keep in our touring caravan. It is so compact it's easy to stow away. I cannot speak highly enough and would not hesitate to recommend this amazing little vacuum. Nothing to dislike. Join the Daily Records WhatsApp community here and get the latest news sent straight to your messages." However, one shopper pointed out that the bag is quite small, meaning the vacuum must be emptied quite often. Writing, easy to use. Easy to store out of sight as handle goes down. Picks up quite well on hard floor and carpet plus small rugs. Extremely light. The bags are quite small but easy to change, reasonable price to buy more. Perfect for what I wanted, to use on small cleanups. Reasonable price. You can access the G-Tech Highlight 2 deal on Amazon now. Alternatively, the G-Tech Highlight 2 is available direct from the G-Tech site. However, the vacuum is not on sale and is instead priced at the RRP cost of £149.99. Amazon has slashed the price of various other vacuums during the Prime Deal Days, including a Shark Hoover that has been hailed for its ability to pick up even the most stubborn of debris.
Amazon has slashed the price of the life-changing vacuum by £150, currently down from £379.99 to £229.99.